Readybase AI is a platform that allows you to create PDFs just from prompts. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. I'm going to click on work. And okay, cool. So this is the default canvas. It's told me I can use this canvas to compile the intelligence I want to power the PDF. So I can click organize and move the nodes to order them. Okay, great stuff. So I think first of all, what I'll do is I'll say the research should be how multi-agent architectures are going to be the future of work. Okay, cool. And the brand lookup, let's say, this is pretty cool. So I can choose a number of different brands that I kind of like the style of. What I'll do is I'll just keep it simple and I'll just leave it at Nike.com. Cool. So here I could, let's see what I can do. So if I click organize, then I can see, I can essentially, I think, start moving these. Let's just take a look. Or clicking organize essentially just takes you back to the main sort of view. Let me see how I can add images. Okay, great. I can easily add images. I can add colors if I want. I can select my color palette for the PDF. Cool. Just gonna delete that. Let's go with, leave that there. I'll go with another shade like this. Cool. And yeah, I think I'll just leave it at that and I'll click save. Cool. Okay, so now this is saved. I'm gonna see exactly how I can actually keep going. So seems I can't. Okay, let me go back to this. So I need to paste in up to 4 images. Let me add some text. So importance. Okay, so I needed to add some text, it seems. Importance of multi-agent architectures can't be understated in the future of work. Cool. Just go here. The importance of multi-agent architectures in the future of work. Brand lookup will still be Nike.com. Yeah, let's go with that. So you can actually, cool. So you can fetch a color scheme from there, at least some nice brand aesthetics. Cool. And then I'm going to click continue. And then we can describe what we want to create. So create a PDF outlining the future of work and how multi-agent architectures will play a role in that. Okay, great stuff. So we've also got some suggestions as well. In fact, I think I'll go with this. This looks quite cool. Click on that and then I'll click continue. Okay, cool. So what kind of style are we going for? Let's go for, this is pretty cool. I think, what would fit? It's a good question. I think, I quite like this. So let's go with that. Or maybe tech modern, actually. It's pretty cool. Sweet. And then I'll click use. It can also add any custom style instructions there. Got my canvas in there and my color palette as well. Just going to click use and let's see what we get. Okay, cool. So this was quite an interesting user experience. Readybase essentially helped me to map out what I actually wanted to do, which is quite interesting. So I didn't necessarily just have to go straight from a prompt. There were some sort of blocks that I could fill in to make the whole process a bit easier.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Okay, great. So now we have the output, which is looking pretty cool, I'll be honest. So we've got this nice sleek design. And if we keep going, we can see here the subtitle is Evaluating the Next Wave of Automation and Collaboration for the Future of Work. Okay, cool. An executive summary, technology overview, strategic benefits and enterprise use cases, amazing stuff, risks, requirements, and recommendation. Cool, and a couple recommended pilots. So I think this is pretty cool. This is definitely something I will download and potentially actually use in some pieces of content. But yeah, definitely check out Readybase. I think this is a really cool platform, and it may just be what you need. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.